Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow app making changes to reminders on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. Now in settings, go down and tap on screen time. Next we go down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then in here, go down to the privacy section and tap on reminders. Now put in the screen time passcode. Next in here, you could choose allow changes or don't allow changes, and so select one of the options. Once you select an option, you can also go down here and select on the individual apps that you want to allow the app to make changes to reminders or not. So that applications that have requested access to your reminders will appear here in the list. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.